So for this online Math 104 course, it is very important to follow the schedule and use the resources provided on the left side menu of my math lab. There are lesson videos, there are homeworks, there are paper homework, and I'm going to show you now how to submit the paper homework. We are back in Blackboard, so I'm going to go back up to the left side menu, and there is a tab over here in the menu called Submit Paper Assignments. So the way this is set up is each unit is going to have a folder, and by clicking the unit, the assignments that you need to submit will be found in this folder. So it's just another way to know what you need to submit. This information is found in several ways, but this is one quick, easy way to find out what kind of homework do I need to submit. So for Unit 1, again, this is a repeat of how to find a scanner, cam scanner for your phone, whether you have an iPhone or the Android phone. The actual assignments that need to have a submission are the complex fraction worksheet, the rational exponent and radical worksheet, and then the preliminary topics exam work pages. So if you click the assignment, it tells you the due date and how many points it's worth, and you'll probably need to browse your computer or phone, find the file, attach the file, and then you'll be able to click submit to submit that PDF. So make sure you've saved it in a PDF. If you'd like to include any comments to me along with your assignment, feel free to write those here in the text box as well, and I will reply to anything that you send to me. So to exit from here, since I don't have any submission, I'll cancel that, and I wanted to go back to what this preliminary topics exam work page is. You can see that there are attachments for each one of these assignments, so if you didn't print out this assignment from my math lab, you can access it right here. Here is the worksheet. You can print that out, work it, scan it, send it as the PDF. So there are also work pages for the exam. This is simply scratch paper for you. So for the problems, you can see I've just left some space here, and you can show all your work because you'll need to show all your work for full credit on the exam. So this is where you find the work papers. Once you have filled in all your work there while you're taking your exam, you're going to submit those work papers to me. So don't forget to do that. So I click on Submit Paper Assignments again to get back out to the menu, and you can see all the other chapters are there. Also, we have information here for you concerning the final exam. There's a practice already set up, and that is simply to make sure that your personal computer, if you're choosing to use Proctor Free and you're using your own computer, you have to make sure that you have the proper software installed on your computer in order to be compatible with Proctor Free. And it's a fairly straightforward process to go through, and there is a sample here. So although this is not required to do, it's highly recommended because you don't want to be on your final exam day in a panic because your computer isn't opening the final exam for you. So please do the practice test before you plan on taking your final exam. Once you've submitted an assignment, you can always view your submissions to see if there's any feedback. So here's a list of all of the assignments, and the grade will be here, and if there's any comments, then you're going to notice those on this page. So you can always have access to all of your assignments here, and if I've written any comments to your submissions, this is where you want to check for that.